Okay, so welcome back to the channel. I just have a little quick tip about the Peak Buster seam sealer. Stick around and we'll show you what it is. Okay, so now that we're back, I'm going to run a run right here and get my row cut and get it cut like I'm going to be making a seam. And I just want to point something out. I'm kind of new to this seam sealing stuff. If you've seen my earlier videos, you'll see that I'm not, in my earlier videos, I did not seal my seams. Well, I've recently started doing that over the past few months. So this was something I had to get used to, of using the Peak Buster. And the first time I did a video on that, I was talking about it snagging up and stuff like that on the edge, and to pull it away and dab the extra glue off if it was snagging. Like if it would get snagged, I'd stop and said do that, and it'd snag, I stop and do that. Well, I've been using it for a few months now. I've kind of got used to it and used to the feel, and you guys that's been using it for a long time probably won't have an issue with this. This is for people that are just starting out using this, which by all means I do think it's an awesome tool. I will always have one from now on. And anyway, I figured out how to push it along through there without it getting snagged up. I want to get real close right here and show this right quick. So if you'll notice, this whole point right here is rounded, and this spot right here actually goes under the back of it. Well, because this is rounded, it allows you to get at whatever angle you want to run it up through there. So when I first got it and I was first using it, I was holding it straight like this against it, straight like that, and I was getting snagged like I'm snagged right now. As a matter of fact, I was getting snagged like that. But because this is rounded, it allows me to put my gun back here at an angle and prevents all the snagging. Okay, watch this. It just be so real smooth. See that? Not a single snag, and I'm sealing the edges perfectly. That's got a perfect amount of sealer on there. I don't know that you can see the shiny, but it is definitely there. Hear this? Let's see. Hear that? Sticking? Okay. So anyway, that's just a little something I figured out. Rather than holding it straight, I'm going to do it one more time even though it's still on there. Instead of doing this, put your hand back at an angle like that, because this is rounded, allowing you to do that. So that's a tremendous help as far as running this Peak Buster down through there. You don't get snagged up whatsoever, and it sure makes life a lot easier. So that was just a little quick tip I wanted to share with you guys. Again, this channel is about improving people's quality of work. Okay, so anything I learn, I'm going to share with you guys. Thank you for watching.